Rising from the Saharan sands of Mauritania lies a geological enigma that has captivated researchers for decades: the Richat Structure, known as the Eye of Africa. This vast formation, spanning nearly 25 miles across, displays concentric rings of alternating rock and valleys that bear an uncanny resemblance to the city, described by Plato over 2,000 years ago. In his dialogues, Timaeus and Critias, Plato told of an island civilization positioned beyond the Pillars of Hercules, what we now call the Strait of Gibraltar. He described a city built upon a low mountain, surrounded by alternating rings of sea and land. 3 rings of water encircled the central island, connected by bridges and tunnels large enough for ships to pass through. The Richat structure, with its concentric circular ridges, mirrors this architectural blueprint with haunting precision. Plato's Atlantis was a marvel of engineering and abundance. The god Poseidon himself shaped the land for his mortal love, Clito. Carving the rings as protective barriers, the Atlanteans constructed bridges connecting the rings and dug a great canal stretching 50 stadia to the sea. They built walls around each ring, coating them in metals, the outermost in brass, the second in tin, and the innermost citadel in the mysterious red metal orichalcum, which gleamed like fire. At the heart of the city stood the Temple of Poseidon, its exterior covered entirely in silver with pinnacles of gold. Inside, the ceiling was ivory adorned with gold, silver, and orichalcum. A golden statue of the god driving 6 winged horses. Hot and cold springs flowed throughout the island, feeding fountains and baths for citizens and kings alike. The kingdom extended beyond the central city, encompassing a vast rectangular plain surrounded by mountains that sheltered it from northern winds. This plain was divided by an intricate network of canals used for transporting timber and seasonal produce. The Atlanteans commanded a formidable military: 10,000 chariots, 1,200 ships, and countless soldiers drawn from the island's 10 kingdoms. But 12,800 years ago, fire rained from the sky. An asteroid struck the Earth, triggering floods, firestorms, and a 1,000-year freeze. Across the globe, civilizations vanished overnight. The evidence lies buried in a black layer of nanodiamonds and scorched earth found on every continent. And perhaps beneath those ashes lies the truth behind humanity's oldest memory: the sinking of Atlantis.